Robin, how's it going?
It's good. Swipsy just called. We've got a KP of 5, and they hit a warning for a 6.
Okay.
Deep within NASA's Mission Control Center, a small team of scientists monitor unusual activity from space.
You ready to write the alert?
Yeah, I'll get it set so when we hit it, we can just send it out.
Okay, sounds good.
The team here work 24/7 on a complex mission to protect astronauts from the dangerous environment of space, something many have experienced firsthand.
Okay, Zambo, looks like the weather came together tonight. The vehicle's in great shape, so it's time to go fly.
5, we have program ready to start. 2, 1, 0. Booster ignition and liftoff of Shuttle Endeavour with NASA's final space station crew compartment that brings a bay window view to our celestial backyard.
We had launched early in the morning, about 4 a.m., very cold February, Florida morning in 2010.
For former fighter pilot Terry Virts, this was his first mission into space.
One of the most special experiences of my life was seeing Earth for the first time, because I launched at nighttime, and I had a chance very briefly for a few seconds to see the whole east coast of America. Kind of took my breath away. I wasn't prepared for that emotional impact.
Terry was one of 6 astronauts on a 14-day mission to finish constructing the International Space Station.
By our 5th day in space, we were docked with the space station. We were about 400 kilometers in altitude above the Earth. It was a normal day.
It may have been a normal day for someone trained to work hundreds of kilometers above Earth, but what happened next changed Terry's life forever.
I was exhausted like I was every night, getting ready for bed. I got on my sleeping bag, pulled it over my head, closed my eyes, and just a few minutes after that, I saw this giant white flash. And I opened my eyes, and my first thought was, what was that? Computers were fine. There was no problem on board. None of my other crewmates woke up and said, hey, did you see that? It was just me. And then it wasn't long after that, a few days after that, that I started noticing my face was bleeding. And I'd do this and there'd be blood on my finger. There's a lot of mystery in space. There's a lot of things that we don't know. It's the unknown for a reason.
Terry had just crossed into a region scientists call the South Atlantic Anomaly, the so-called Bermuda Triangle of space. It's an area of heightened radiation, which experts have been aware of since the dawn of the space age.